Hello everyone, welcome back to Culinary Museum. This is Chef Mohamed Abdell, and today we have a dish that's as stunning to look at and it's delicious to eat. We are making butternut and beetroot lantern ravioli, roasted in a rich butternut squash sauce. Finish it with a sprinkle charcoal dust. Let's dive right in. So now let's shape the ravioli. Now we start to cut the dough here and just then now stuffing is butternut squash. First thing, we'll put the butternut squash sauce. Put some diced butternut squash also. Then ravioli, just try it on top here. And then the thickened piece here. Bit of charcoal. So now we explain the dish. We have the butternut sauce, we have butternut dice, we have the ravioli stuffed inside butternut and also stuffed with the beetroot and pepperoni cheese, pistachio, and the finish would be with the charcoal. And there you have it, butternut and beetroot lantern ravioli with butternut squash sauce and charcoal dust. If you try this recipe, leave a comment.